Hello everyone, Sophia come back. Today let me introduce one of our new projects. It's made by our FRP sheet. You can see it makes the main frame is made of the tube, and on the top it's our materials. It's transparent FRP fiberglass sheet. So this one is flat and we have different profiles. I will show you. This one, we call it concrete FRP sheet. It's very popular in the overseas market. We can make different sizes, different colors based on your requirement. And we also have this type with different profiles. We can make it based on your drawings. See, our logo. We come from Tangshan Renfeng. And also, this one is applied on the top of this the small buildings. We call it make it for the barbecue corners. Okay.